Here the series of lecture coordinated by Professor Gandhi. The topics cover here related to vector space, vector subspaces, and you have also learned the eigenvalues, eigenvectors, how the matrix is diagonalized. Here I would like to cover the application related to the eigenvalues and eigenvectors with how it is used. When you study the subject of mathematics, it is very important to study the application portions, application part of it, so that the topic becomes easy. And also these are some application which is with differential equation. Now your topic is related to linear algebra. It covers the both the parts, that is in the when you use the eigenvalues and eigenvectors, then it is also when you applied it to the different types of problem related to the engineering field or any field of science and technology. It is related to some differential equations. The first application I would like to show, it is related to the differential equation, which is the statement with the, have you ever seen the video of the collapse of the Tacoma Narrows Bridge? The Tacoma Bridge was built in 1940. From the beginning, the bridge would form from some small waves like the surface of a body of water. In this type of situation, you always get the waveform, you always get the differential equation, and when you try to solve this differential equation, you will get the some eigenvalues related to that on solving this equations. So in this accidental behavior of the bridge brought many people who wanted to drive over this moving bridge. Most people through that the bridge was safe despite the movement. However, about 4 months later, the oscillations, that is wave, become bigger. How it is known? By using at this point, at one point, one edge of the road was 28 feet higher than the other edge. So this is evaluated by the HUL wave equations, and they will get the idea about how it is possible, and this is the HUL use of eigenvalues related to the differential equation. The second problem related to the car designers. You know, nowadays some simulation problems are also covered with the one application related to the car designer analysis. The eigenvalues in order to damp out the noise so that the occupants have a quick ride. Eigenvalue analysis is also used in the design of car stereo system, so that the sound are directed correctly for the listening pleasure of the passenger and driver. So to get the correct voice, the analysis is used. When you see a car that vibrates because of the loud booming music, think of eigenvalues. So this is all possible by using the eigenvalue, and you can transform correctly the music in car stereo systems. The next application is related to the deformities in a solid. Eigenvalues can also be used to test for cracks or deformities in a solid. So it is mostly used in structural analysis also, where the differential equations are there. Can you imagine if every inch of every beam used in construction had to be tested? The problem is not as time consuming and when eigenvalues are used, because in the most bridge problem etc., it is not possible to measure all the parts. So in that case, the small designs, from that small design some differential equations are obtained, and the eigenvalues are then calculated, and you will get the idea and then the whole bridge or whole building is designed. This is the most useful use of of eigenvalues in structural analysis problem. The next one is related to the use of in oil companies. You are surprisingly know now the application related to the use in oil companies. How it is used? Oil companies frequently use eigenvalues analysis to explore land for oil. Oil, dirt and other substance all give rise to linear system. So here we get the linear system. And the previous lecture what you have learnt about the linear system. What is the linear system? Uh, in that part the solution is obtained by using the different methods. Now detailed analysis is required. This knowledge is not enough for you, but how to calculate the eigenvalues, you know how to calculate the eigenvalues, then you can apply it for the different purposes. The recent application, I would also like to highlight the recent applications of eigenvalues. In recent age, in the most of the image processing analysis problems, it is used eigenvalues and eigenvectors are used in image analysis, image processing, which is related to the image processing. Proceed images options be seen as vectors whose components are the bridge brightness of exapixel. The dimension of this vector space is the number of pixels. So in this pixels are used, and then actually it is converted and calculated as eigenvectors. The eigenvectors of the matrix associated with the large sets of normalized picture of faces are called eigenfaces. So in the recent ages, recent time, eigenfaces are the most recent application in eigenvectors analysis. Similar to this concept, eigen voice representation of the general direction of variability in the human, particularly it is based on the language analysis or combinations of eigen voices are used. New voice or new word can be transformed. So from in the coding language also it is used in the noise systems. So all are the these are the applications which covers the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Thank you.
So this is all about eigenvalues and eigenvector, and the 3 lecture series from Sardar Patel University in this linear algebra topic. I thank all those who have delivered the lecture here. Thank you very much.